Most cars don't make it past 150,000 miles. They rust, they blow gaskets, the check engine light becomes permanent, but mine, it's still going strong at over 300,000 miles. And no, it's not some magical unicorn. It's just a regular, boring four-cylinder sedan. But I treated it right. Today I'm sharing the 10 habits that kept it alive this long, and they'll work for any car. Habit number 1, oil changes. On time, every time. Not when I remember, not when the light comes on. Every 5,000 miles, like a religion. Fresh oil means cooler engine, less wear, no sludge buildup. I've seen engines die at 80,000 just because people never change their oil. $40 now saves $4,000 later. Habit number 2, coolant and transmission fluid checks. Most people never touch these unless something explodes. But I flush coolant every 2 to 3 years and check trans fluid every 30,000. Heat kills cars faster than anything. And transmission failure? That's a death sentence for most used cars. Cheap fluid changes save me thousands. Habit number 3, warm up before you beat it. I never redline a cold engine, ever. I wait 5 to 10 minutes before doing anything spirited. Cold oil is thick. Your engine needs time to circulate it. Drive gently till the temp gauge settles. It's simple mechanical empathy. Habit number 4, fix small problems. Immediately hear a weird sound, smell burning, light on the dash. Don't ignore it. That tiny clicking noise, bad CV joint. That vibration, alignment issue. Most major repairs start as small ones that were ignored for 8 months. Habit number 5, don't cheap out on filters. $5 cabin filters? $3 oil filters from eBay? Yeah, don't. I always use OEM or quality aftermarket filters, Bosch, MAN, etc. Air filters keep your engine breathing. Oil filters keep gunk out of your internals. A bad filter can destroy an engine faster than you think. Habit number 6, wash the undercarriage, especially in winter. Rust kills more cars than engines ever do, especially if you live where it snows and they salt the roads. I spray the underbody at least once a month in winter. Frame, suspension, fuel, Bosch brake lines, all still solid at 300,000. People look under my car and think it's 5 years old. Habit number 7, rotate tires and check pressure monthly. This one sounds minor, but it adds up. Even tire wear equals longer life for suspension. Alignment stays true, handling stays tight, and correct pressure saves gas and avoids blowouts. I keep a digital pressure gauge in the glove box. Follow the maintenance schedule. The car manual isn't just for glove box decoration. Timing belt at 90K? I did it. Spark plugs every 60,000? Done. Waiting for things to fail equals paying twice as much later. Preventative maintenance equals peace of mind. Habit number 9, drive smart. Always know. Jackrabbit starts, no full throttle stops. You treat my car like it's always carrying a sleeping baby. Smooth acceleration, coasting to stops, engine braking on downhills. That driving style cuts wear on everything. Engine, brakes, tires, even suspension. Habit number 10, use quality parts. Always tempting to buy the cheapest thing on eBay, but I always go OEM or trusted aftermarket, even if it costs more. That $30 control arm might fail in 8 months. The $80 one might last 10 years. Quality parts don't just fit better, they last longer, period. My car wasn't built to be special. It's not a Lexus LS 400 or a Toyota truck. It's just a mid-2000s daily driver. But these 10 habits, they gave it a whole second life. Most cars die early, not because they're bad, but because people treat them like they're disposable. Take care of your car, and it'll take care of you. Want more real-world car advice? Hit that subscribe button. Got a high mileage beast of your own? Drop it in the comments. I want to hear your story. See you in the next one.